How can you effectively manage the bleeding of the ear? That's the discussion of this video. But if you're new to this channel, please don't fail to subscribe. Don't fail to hit the notification button. My name is Patrick Toya and this is EMS-AFRICA. So what you want to do? Secure the bandage first. Then after securing, sure that it's well secured, then you want to secure the dressing. Sure it applies good pressure to stop the bleeding. So we are managing an ear injury. If it has sustained a cut, remember this is not a head injury, that especially signs of skull fracture, where you see blood coming out from the ears. So this is a direct cut. So the management for that skull fracture is different from this. You don't want to apply much pressure. So as you can see, once you've secured it, as you can see, the pressure is well applied and the head is well secured. So from there you can transport them. That's how we are supposed to manage an ear injury or bleeding, or apply direct pressure to the ear. So thank you very much for watching, and as always, my name is Patrick Toya. If you have not subscribed, please do so, and it's my hope that I'll see you in my next video.